Bruh, I tested positive. Crazy, right? Anyway, guys, I'm watching Rage. Look. Helicopter, helicopter. Shoot, shoot.
Dude, it looks a little small, man. You don't need it. I'm gonna miss you. This is the new owner now.
Bye, remember.
Oh, there you go. He's taking my stuff again. Alright, guys, so I'm showing Double Paul Harris.
And remember that. Boom, boom, dribble, dribble. And let's see if I can get 100 subscribers before I stream the next video. Let's try it, guys. Bye.